In this video, we will learn about the Indian judicial system. In judicial system comprises the role of Supreme Courts and High Court. The Indian judiciary comprises the Supreme Court at the apex, followed by the High Courts in different states and the subordinate courts. The Supreme Court, the High Courts and the subordinate courts are all linked to each other. Hence, the judicial system is known as integrated judicial system. The judiciary is an independent organ. The Supreme Court is the highest court in India. It is the guardian of Indian Constitution. The Supreme Court of India is located at Delhi. The Supreme Court comprises the Chief Justice and a maximum of 30 other judges. The Supreme Court hears and gives ruling on both civil and criminal cases. The High Court is the highest court in the state. Each court in India has the jurisdictions of one or more states and union territory. There are 24 high courts in India. Of these, 3 high courts have control over more than one state. A high court consists of a chief justice and other judges. The high court deals cases such as those concerning the fundamental rights of citizens, elections, petitions, and other civil and petition. Summary: the Indian judiciary comprises the Supreme Court at the apex, followed by high courts in different states and the subordinate courts. The judiciary is an independent organ in India. Thank you very much for watching this video.